Welcome to our presentation on the kelp forest ecosystem. Kelp forests are underwater habitats made of giant brown algae found in cold, nutrient-rich waters. These ecosystems provide food, shelter, and oxygen for a variety of species. The giant kelp is the foundation of the ecosystem. It grows up to 150 feet tall and forms a forest structure that creates shelter and food for countless organisms. The sea otter is a keystone predator, meaning that it has a disproportionately large impact on its ecosystem relative to its abundance. By eating sea urchins, otters prevent the overgrazing of kelp, which keeps the kelp forest thriving and healthy. The sea urchin is the main grazer in the ecosystem that feeds on kelp holdfasts, which is the part of the giant kelp that latches onto rocks like an anchor. While they recycle nutrients, too many urchins can destroy kelp forests without predators like otters. The Garibaldi fish is bright orange and highly territorial. Males that protect their nests from intruders control the invertebrate population and keep balance in the underwater forest. The sea star preys on mussels and barnacles. This keeps any one of those species from dominating and allows more biodiversity. The leopard shark uses kelp forests as nurseries as well as hunting grounds. By eating fish, crabs, and mollusks, they aid in regulating mid-level species and prevent overpopulation. The harbor seal rests and floats in kelp canopies for protection. They prey on fish, squid, and crustaceans while also serving as prey for higher-level species like sharks and orcas. The rockfish depends on kelp for shelter by hiding in kelp fronds, which is the leafy part of the kelp. They feed on small crustaceans while providing food for seals, otters, and larger predators. The abalone is a large sea snail that grazes on algae and drift kelp. These snails keeps algae that is closer to the surface under control and ensures sunlight reaches the kelp closer to the sea floor. The sea cucumber plays an important cleanup role. It consumes detritus, which is organic matter made up of decomposing organisms on the seafloor, and recycles those nutrients back into the ecosystem. Together, these 10 organisms create an interconnected and balanced system that makes kelp forests one of the most productive ecosystems in the ocean. Thank you.